Good afternoon to everybody. This is the power of healing with Utabi Ngowekhethelo. So, I've been promising that ngizonibonisa ukuthi ilento ilad or is what things the requirements for amabutho, right? Ish, my 10 is pottering me. So yeah, ngizonibonisa. So I'm preparing for UKUVUSA Amabutho today in Tabeni, which is I'm so excited about that. Yeah, because I think you get excited about something or about the spiritual journey when you know exactly what you are doing. Uyazi into oyenzayo, it makes sense. So I wanted to show you these things, but before nginibonisa, I want to say this. You must also understand that mawuvusa amabutho asentabeni, uvuswa nabalosi. That is standard. Amabutho asentabeni ahamba nabalosi. Amabutho asentabeni awahambi lilodwa, liyibutho lilodwa, but kuba amabutho. So I think that is one important thing that we should bear in mind. But into engizoyisho, yes, it is umsebenzi ukuthi fanele siyosebenza, and unfortunately I cannot show you into esizobe siyenza ukuthi kwenziwani makuvuswa amabutho, but I can give you an idea izinto ey'funakalayo. As you can see, today ngiyibutho. I will take pictures just to show you. Yeah, but ngiyibutho nje today. Yeah, yabona. Nabona nje ibhayi lami lisho khona ukuthi hayi cha, ihlomile namhlanje. If you can see, no izinto ozigqokayo, guys. It makes sense when you know zimeleni, zimele ini kanjani. It makes more sense. You enjoy your spiritual journey mawazi wenzani. So yeah, as ugly as I am, nje. Yeah, as ugly as I am, anyways. I've been consulting the whole morning, so ngikhathele, but anyway, when duty calls. So yeah, siyahamba ke nomntana wethonga engimphiwe yena ukuthi siyolungisa amabutho namhlanje, sovusa amabutho wakubo. Yeah, so ke ngepermission ke yabadala bakuwo, guys. I'm going to show you just the things that you're going to need. Yeah, angazi ke ukuthi what's going on technology, so I'm trying to understand the technology a bit, but yeah. Yeah, so ke hopefully ngizokwazi ukuyithola lento engifuna ukuyenza, just to show you ukuthi kwenziwa njani. Esingishilo ke, guys, my space is a bit incane kancane because sengenza izinto sengigijima ngihamba. So this is what you need. As you can see laphayana, we don't have only one set, we have 3. Esingishilo, depending on your space, depending on abakini nokuthi lamabutho avukile ayingakhi, awakuphi, whether kabo ma or kabo baba, we need to know ukuthi obani bani bayichaze bona. So as you can see here, I've got ikhali zami, and now with ikhali you might not need a spear, and a shield will always be there, amabutho, but sometimes depending on a spiritual lento yomuntu, depending on ngathini ijeni yakho nalomuntu okwembethe mhlambe or nalaba bakuphethe, bayakhethela isikhali ofanele kube naso, whether it's a spear, whether it's a knife, whether it's an axe, imbazo, umese, spear, or isagila. But bayakhethela bona, awuzithengeli nje, bayayiveza bona leyo nto edingekalayo. And then as you can see there, sikuphethe we used to call it a babe, yomkhulu. Yeah, and then you would have your shields there, imiqhele. Guys, when you wear umqhele, and especially with amabutho namakhosi, ama requirements wakhona avamile ukuhluka kancane. So you need to know izipho ey'dingakalayo. Amakhosi anokwabo, guys, and amakhosi so it's been done a lot of times. So amabutho ahluka kancane, and kunezizathu ukuthi why amabutho ahluka kancane kumakhosi. Enye-ke ngisayichaza-ke kule video, but-ke yeah, as you can see there, amabhayi wami awafani, because as you represent amabutho angafani, akuzukufana amabhayi. Amabutho like ikhaya, angithi you've got your paternal, your maternal, and nabanye abantu maybe uganile or kanjani. Kunabantu abavukayo kuwena, amakhehla avukayo kuwena, amabutho amakhehla. Okay, so you need to know, uyabahlukanisa, yabona. If you look at those sets azifani, if you look at what I'm wearing mina akufani. So umuntu nomuntu kunezinto ezimele yena ezakubo. Yes, so this is what, like, even ngisho-ke emsamo wakho mabe kuthiwa unamakhehla, akucacise ukuthi amakhehla maphi, guys, so that we do the right things. Asibanjwanga ukuthi asenze, sibanjwe ukuthi senze izinto ezingasiyizo. So yeah, so siyovusa-ke, guys. I just wanted to share with you some of the requirements that you might need. I think kuyashoda lana, kushoda ogwayi kwabomkhulu, and then that is part of the offering. But umntanami esingishilo uza nazo zonke lezo zinto. Unfortunately ke ngeke nisakhona ukuyibona zona, kodwa ke I've given you an idea of iladi ne lamabutho. Mawuyoliyenza noma uyobaphakamisa ke, guys, noma uyobavusa, bayavuswa ke, abaphakanyiswa kodwa bayavuswa, uyobavusa bona. And esingishilo amabutho awahlali anganabo abalozi, awahambisani wodwa, ahamba ngisho nabalozi. Guys, I hope that you have learned, and sizokwazi ukuthi senzeni oku-right ukuze yonke into ilungu. Ngiyabonga. Also, guys, I just want to mention ama-vest namabhayi nemiqhele mawenzela amabutho akuzukufana, depending on amakhehla kini, akufani kithi sonke. Ngoba omunye uzobona mhlambe ngifake le bhayi besathi ngiyothenga le bhayi. Guys, into iyavezwa, uyabona lamabhayi ngakubonisa awafani at all. Awafani. Nakuwa namakhandlela awafani. Okay, yawa nokuwala kunezizathu ukuthi why zingafani lezi zinto. Awafani amabutho asuka kumele, nezinto abakubonisa zona nezinto abayifuna kuwe ziyaboniswa, awuvele uthenge nje. So ungathi ubone la bese uthi mhlambe kwenziwa kanje all the time. No, kudependa kumuntu ne-spiritual assessment somuntu.